Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. Today I'd like to show you how you can build a tool that can help you service your front brake master cylinder. Handlebars have gotten really comfortable. They pull the handlebar back to you and you can really be comfortable while you're riding. But the master cylinder here is on an angle. And I don't care how you turn your front end, it's hard to get this like this so the fluid doesn't come out. So a tech many years ago came up with a tool that he built for the shop that works fantastic, and I want to show you how you can build it for yourself. Here's the tool. It's a couple of pipes, a couple of fittings, and a part of a handlebar, and what you do is you undo a T27, your master cylinder, keep it on the brake line, slide this unit underneath your bike, slide your master cylinder on here, adjust this so it's flat. Now you can take the lid off, you can do your bleeding of your system, put it back together, and then you slide this off and put it back on your handlebars. So how do you make this thing? Well, I went to my hardware place, Lowe's, Home Depot, it doesn't matter, and you go to the pipe side of the store and you buy two fittings. One of the fittings is a 3/4 side outlet elbow. Looks like this. It comes with Allen's. And then the other one is a 90-degree side outlet T. That looks like this. All right, now you go from the pipe side of the store and you go over to the electrical side and you get 10 feet of aluminum conduit. It's 3/4 size also. Now I took 10 foot because that was only $12.68 versus two 5-foot pieces, but you can do whatever fits into your vehicle on it. Mine, pickup truck, had a little bit sticking out the back. Came home, cut a 5-foot section, and then the other half of the 10-foot section I cut in half. So now it's easy to assemble. You take your T here and you put this in. Now you only go so far because you got to have room for this piece to go in. So you only go far. You use a 1/4 Allen. And you tighten it up. And then you go to the other side. And you put it in, making sure you leave room for the upright pipe. Okay, so now I got my bottom section in. So now I'm just going to put this on just so I can reach it here on the lift. And you put this section in. And you tighten down the Allen here. All right, so now I've made a very simple stand. Then, of course, this is going to have to be put wherever it matches up with your motorcycle. Now, here's the caveat. I know I'm not talking about the cost of handlebars. Here at the shop, we repair motorcycles, and there are a few wrecks, and you have bent handlebars. So I am sure that between you have probably changed handlebars and have a set in your attic somewhere, or maybe a friend of yours has it, that you could share a handlebar. This set of handlebars, I went 15 inches, just enough to give me flexibility to be able to turn, and I cut. He could cut the other end, and you both got a piece. Then this piece goes in here, and you tighten it up. And there's your tool. So now you take your master cylinder, you take your T27 and you undo it and you slide it on and you slide this unit underneath the bike and you slide your master cylinder with the line still attached. And you can do your work and then take it off and put it on. Now here's a little tech tip that you have to do when you're putting it back on. You have a brake switch that loves to brake when you're taking this on and off because of this piece right here that pushes against the brake switch. So before you put yours back on, put a piece of cardboard or a little piece of rubber that just cocks the lever just a little bit. So when you slide it on, it's not pushing against the brake light switch. Slide it on and you have done your brake work. And then when you're done with your unit, you can undo it, put it all together, and put it underneath your bench when you're working for $25. Now, I got mine for $16 because all the parts were on sale, but $25 at regular price. For $25, you can have a tool that you can use every 2 years when you change your brake fluid, or you can help your other friends that are in the area. Just a little tech tip from Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.